The winged cars, Jim, seem to have it over those without.
Well, that's another item that we haven't discussed is the Chrysler-Ford situation, Chris.
Well, the Chrysler cars out-qualified the Fords by a substantial margin, leading to rumors that the Fords just couldn't cut it today, but we'll wait and see.
Let's find out. It's still Charlie Glotzback in the lead. Back here is Leroy Yarbrough. We saw him for a moment ahead of David Pearson. They're battling for 4th and 5th, but very close to the leaders. And now, Buddy Baker up high is going to try to take the lead from Glotzback, and this time he's got it. Buddy Baker in first place. That's where he always likes to be. He's the big fellow, remember. 6 feet 5 inches tall, recent winner of the Southern 500.
Have you ever seen a car that just stops you in your tracks? One so wild-looking that it demands attention? Well, that's exactly what Dodge was going for when they unleashed the 1969 Charger Daytona. This radical redesign of their popular Charger was built for one purpose: to absolutely dominate NASCAR. Dodge wanted the speed crown, and they knew that meant cheating the wind. So they stretched the Charger's nose out almost 1.5 feet, making it the longest car you could buy, and then added a nearly 2-foot-tall wing on the back. The result was a futuristic-looking beast that sliced through the air unlike anything else on the road or track. While only 503 Daytonas were ever built, their impact was huge. They were banned from NASCAR after achieving their goal of completely disrupting the sport. But Dodge had made their point. The 1969 Charger Daytona showed the world that sometimes you have to go to extremes if you want to be number one.